Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Alright guys, let's take a look again on the gold market. Here, as you can see, overall action stands slow as well as on other markets, especially on the Forex and Euro currency as well. But still, slowly but stubbornly, the market is moving higher. So on yesterday, you can see that it's a good sign that market has closed. I will show you a bit larger. So it has closed above the top of the high wave pattern. This is a good sign. For the short-term stop that we have, well, I suggest that major activity will happen only during United States sessions. Will be retail sales release, and maybe the volatility of this release will be enough to just make the gold to complete the target that we have. Because until this will happen, until this retail sales, well, I do not see a significant background, significant news or events that could shake market a bit and push price high. But still, if you take a look at the overall price action, yes, it's not really fast, but it's directional. The market is trying to continue upward action. So here, for example, we have the same ABCD pattern that we discussed. COP, minor target, has been hit yesterday. Now it's a minor pullback out from here. And the major target is the OP, perfectly coincides with 1993, 1994 area. So that's approximately the level that we desire to get for position closing by the end of this session. I personally do not want to hold this position through the weekend, and I prefer to close it in the evening. But at the same time, we have minor extension targets, and they are also acceptable to us. We just need to keep an eye on where we will be by the end of the session. If we will reach just this in 1978, well, that's great. Well, let it be just 1978. So because, as you can see, there's additional resistance stance, and it's from the thrusting action. This is important level, maybe even more important than this one. And on the way up, we also have some minor targets. So take a look if you'll treat this action as the butterfly. So currently, yes, we have the COP on the 4 time frame chart, but it's also 1.7 extension, this minor butterfly. And the next butterfly target is 1975. So you can see 1975, 78, 93. So 3 different targets in this tight range we have. And, well, let's see what data will provide us, how impact of the data will be on the market. Maybe it's nothing to talk about. This market just will jump up and hit 1995 or even will come higher. Who knows? But the one thing that you definitely need to do is move stops to the break-even. Well, I think that you already done this yesterday, but if you didn't do this, well, it's time to think about it. Because we're coming to the end of the week, we're coming to the important data release, anything could happen. And currently, well, I do not see some significant weakness in the overall setup. Yes, the price action, as I said, is a bit slow. But still, market holds it on the way up and breaking levels retested. So yesterday we said this probably will be some kind of a triangle, and indeed, it's indeed the triangle. We retested once, second time. Now maybe we will get some push up and moving to the targets. So let's just sit on the hands and see what will happen on retail sales on the evening of the United States session in the gold.